You ready? You got it in gear? There you go. Watch where you're driving? Pretty cool. And go ahead, super fast. And this thing's got some good power. I mean, look at my driveway. And look how he stays on the gas. Look how that is working uphill real easy. Well, turn and go up. Yeah, put it backwards and turn right. Okay, stop. Go forward. Go ahead, go. I mean, again, really good power. All right, Brian and Aiden from Garageville Hall. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.